Mwakoi, welcome once more. We're meeting again, and today we will learn how to greet somebody who comes to visit us, and somebody maybe your friend, maybe somebody we didn't see for a long time, or we didn't see the person like for a few days or even a few hours. I still believe when that person comes to your house or those people come to your house, what do you say? You will say mwakoi. The way I just greet you now, I say mwakoi, which means welcome. So we'll say mwakoi. I hope you see what I'm talking about. We'll say mwakoi, which means welcome. And then you may say, the person who say a video or a moi, we already talk about it. And then you can say Twelai, or Twelai is one person. You say, well, Twelai means come in. So you say first mwakoi or wako if it's one person, otherwise mwakoi. And even one person, we can say mwakoi, I respect. So mwakoi, the person will respond, then which means welcome. Then you go Twelai means come in. You open the door, of course. You invite the person in your house. Then you say shikatai, which means sit down. So sit down, which means asseyez-vous. Mwakoi, welcome, or bienvenue in French. Bienvenue, it is in French. Then Twelai, which is come in, or entree in French. And then shikatai in Kiluba, of course. And then shikatai means sit down, or asseyez-vous in French. And then Mwafaiko, that's happened many times, just to say thank you. Probably the Mwafaiko means thank you. It's probably, this thank you comes in a way probably to be grateful that the person came to visit you, and you say Mwafaiko, Mwafaiko, so which means thank you. This is a thank you, or merci in French. So those are the words, and you could say we could offer, if the person want a drink or something like that. We'll talk about offering things to people who come to visit us, or to in a regular, in a routine way. When we are together or friends around, you can say offer a drink in one way or another. We'll talk about it. So today, what we have to return, today we're talking about how to greet people when people come to visit us. We say, when they come, we say mwakoi or wako, mwakoi. Sometimes in the repetition, I love what Jesus said en vérité, or you repeat the word twice or three times. In Kiluba, that's happened many times. It shows joy, it shows insistence, emphasizing on the word like mwakoi, means welcome for the joy. And then you invite the person, come in, Twelai. Then the person comes in, and then you show the place to sit. It's shikatai. So all those words, they come, if you return them, they will be coming fluently. Then after that, you can say wafuako. Something people say wafuako ne luendo, or wafuako, just wafuako is enough. Luendo means the trip. A person had a long trip, maybe to come to visit you, say wafuako ne luendo, just to be grateful that the person came to visit you, and have to work or drive, will take his time to take the time to come to see you. So that's what we're returning today. I hope we really have it in our mind now. We'll continue working on greetings. There's a lot to learn on greetings, so please come back and learn, and let's learn together and improve Kiluba as we returning. I understand many of you already listened to all those videos, more than 20, about 20, 24, I think 25 or 24 video already. We already recorded. So you have questions, please send me questions and I will attempt to answer them. If I don't know, I'll go after the elders, after friends, after those people who know as much as I know the Kiluba. So please, let's do our best to learn the language. God bless you. Shalapo.